this is Rahul. Let's simply learn robotic process automation with UiPath. In this video, we will calculate the difference between the date. Let's open the UiPath Studio. Name it to the process, date, difference. Open a main workflow. Click on sequence, and here we will take two assign activity. One is for date 1 and another is for date 2. Let's create a variable, Control K, date 1, Control K, date 2. We will change the variable type to system.datetime. Yeah, this should be ms corblib, then under system and then under date and time. Same for second variable as well. Now we will provide a value here 2020 01 01, and for another date we will provide 2020 01 30. Yeah, and we'll use one message box, and here we will provide date difference, then date interval dot day. Here you can see there is a day, then hours, then month, minute. So based on our requirement we can select. Here we will calculate the day, that's why we'll select day, then comma date 1, that is a first variable, then date 2, that is a second variable, and to string. Yeah, let's save it and let's run. Yeah, here you can see 29 day. Let's try something. Let's try for second month, 28. Save it, run it. Yeah, 27 day, correct. Now let's save it and run. Now this is the 1st January and this is the last date of the February, that is 28 February. Yeah, 58 days, it is calculated correctly. So in this way you can use this in your workflow, in your process, wherever it is required. That's it in this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.